Congratulations, you are on the right page. Please note, and please be clear, that the free coaching session is only available for those of you who refuse to fail and absolutely must make 2019 your best year ever. Important note, free coaching sessions are only available for the first 37 agents today. It's now time for you to take the next 17 seconds and stay focused. What you're about to hear could change your life. If you're like me and you don't want to waste time, you want the bottom line, well, here it is. After your free, no obligation, no strings attached 2019 business planning coaching call, here is what you're going to experience. You and your Harris new member coach on a private one-on-one coaching session, just you and your coach. You'll have your exact custom-fit business plan. You deserve better than settling for an off-the-rack, one-size-fits-all plan. This is the plan that you've been looking for. After you've spoken with your coach, you'll have a powerful feeling of confidence knowing that you have your own unique plan, a plan that is proven to work in all markets, all price ranges, and no matter what is happening in your housing market. In other words, no more fear of a market shift. When you take action now, we'll give you your own learning library. After your coaching session, you'll be sent links to immediately download the following books: Real Estate Treasure Map, 25 Surefire Lead Generators, Think and Grow Rich for Real Estate, How to Outsmart Instant Offers, How to List Expired Listings Like a Pro. All these books together are around $200, but we're going to give them to you free for the first 37 agents to take action today. We also include all the audios from our most recent VIP mastermind, 8 hours of intense Take Action Now training, $300 value for the first 37 agents who take action now. And you know that your market is changing. Scary times are ahead for the agents who are unprepared. When you take action now and claim your coaching sessions, we'll also give you 2 hours of intense training on the 5 phases of a housing reset. Again, this is for smart agents who claim their coaching sessions now. $250 value for the first 37 agents. Please be clear. I said this before, but I want to make this very clear again. This is a real coaching call with a Harris new member coach. You're going to be given access to all of our tools to create your 2019 business plan. We have very limited spots available for the coaching sessions. Please do not reserve a coaching session unless you are truly ready to go to the next level. If that's you, take action now and click to speak to a coach now.